Hello, this is Mrs. Freiberg with the Minnesota Virtual Academy. I have been teaching for MNVA I'm going into my 17th year, so 16 years total. And I've taught everywhere between kindergarten through 8th grade and back again. So I started off in elementary, I've moved to middle school. This year, I'm teaching all 7th grade life science, but I've taught both 7th and 8th grade when I've been in the middle school. I live in northern Minnesota, so if anybody knows where Nisswa, Minnesota is, you know exactly where I live. So Nisswa, Minnesota is about a half an hour north of Brainerd, Minnesota, and I live on Upper Gull Lake. So I live in Upper Gull, which is part of the Gull Lake chain. I have three children. I'm married. I have three children, but all my children are grown. So my oldest, Mariah, who's right here, she is 25, and she currently works for Bobcat in the Twin Cities. So she goes into the office in Minneapolis 3 days a week, and then her other 2 days are remote. But she does their social media advertising for them. My middle daughter, her name is Rachel. She's right here. She graduated from Concordia University in Moorhead about a year and a half ago, and she's currently an RN over in Duluth at St. Mary's. And then I have Colin, and he's 21. He moved back home, and so he's doing some studying from home and trying to figure out what field he'd like to go into. And then there's my husband, Troy, as well, and he works for a bank down in Brainerd. Now we also have two puppies, and you can probably see that from the pictures. So this big white fluff ball right here, this is Yeti. He's a Samoyed. And I have Finn, who is our yellow lab. So sometimes you may hear them barking in the background, but it's them just wanting to say hello. All right, so in life science, we're going to be learning all kinds of cool and wonderful things. We are going to be investigating the world around us of all the living things in the world. So we're going to be looking at lots of different varieties of organisms. We'll be learning about cells and how they work, the relationship between those living things and their environments, and discovering the world of modern genetics. Now I do have a couple of tips for success. I'm going to move myself right over here to this side so I don't get in the way. But the very first one is I am here to help. So always reach out and ask questions. Make sure you attend those Class Connect sessions and use the resources in the course to help you. Log into the course every day. So when you see those tiles, make sure you log into the course every day and stay on track with your lessons and your assignments. And then finally, make sure you do your best. All right. Now, I do want to leave you with some of my contact information. You can always get a hold of me by email, phone, and Skype. There's also a way to schedule a one-on-one with me, and that link is at the bottom of my emails. I look forward to seeing all of you. I look forward to working with all of you, and I can't wait to meet you. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.